Hello, this is Ms. Thompson. Welcome back to Ms. Thompson Teaches, and today we're going to be talking about fossil fuels and alternative energy sources. So coal, oil, and natural gas are fossil fuels. They are considered non-renewable. This is because once they are used up, they cannot be replaced. It takes billions of years for fossil fuels to form. So when we use what we have available to us, it's done. There are positives to using fossil fuels. They give us the energy that we use and need every day. When the United States is able to use their own fossil fuels here at home, we create economic independence. That means we don't have to rely on foreign nations and their resources to give us the energy that we need. Also, they create jobs. So when we have to frack for oil and natural gas and mine for coal, we are employing somebody to do that. Also, with money coming into the United States and their communities and the jobs that are being created, people are able to improve their quality of life. There are negatives to using fossil fuels. So they contribute to the pollution of our earth. Our water, soil, and air can be contaminated with byproducts that are released from using fossil fuels. That can also lead to damaging health impacts. This is why many have been looking for alternative energy sources to fossil fuels. Nuclear energy comes from the splitting of an atom of uranium. Though it is considered to be cleaner than fossil fuels, the waste products can be radioactive and have dangerous impacts. So let's get into renewable energy. So renewable energy can be used repeatedly and can be replaced naturally. So examples of renewable energy are solar energy, biomass energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and hydroelectric power. Renewable energy is great because we'll always have it. We'll always have the sun, we'll always have wind, and we'll always have organic matter to use. It is cleaner to use renewable energy because they provide less pollutants. They can also be less expensive than using coal, oil, or natural gas. There are cons to using these kinds of energies. So it can be expensive to initially invest in renewable energy. It takes a lot of money to build wind turbines, solar panels, and other materials needed to collect this kind of energy. Like any other energy source, there are going to be products of waste. Also, these types of energies can lead to disruption in nature and its ecosystems. So when we have to build solar panels and wind turbines that take up large plots of land, we're interfering with the migration patterns of animals. Also, when we're building hydroelectric dams and things like that, we're disrupting the ecosystem of the water and the animals that live in it. Okay, so what I want you guys to think about are the pros and cons of using fossil fuels and the alternative energy sources. Like I said before, energy is something that we need and we use every single day. But what is the best option for us to use? Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.